Happy and warm spring, everyone! Welcome back to Semiconductors Weekly. There is not a single day without news in the industry. So let's see what is new. Infineon Technologies has launched the 650-watt CoolSiC hybrid discrete for automotive. The device contains a 50 amps trench stop 5 fast switching IGBT and a CoolSiC Schottky diode to enable a cost-efficient performance boost as well as high reliability. This combination builds a perfect cost-performance trade-off for hard switching topologies and supports high system integrity in addition to bidirectional charging. This makes the device ideal for fast-switching automotive applications such as onboard chargers, power factor correction, DC-DC and DC-AC converters. The integrated fast-switching 50 amps IGBT enables MOSFET-like turn-off behavior, outperforming pure silicon solutions. In contrast to regular silicon carbide MOSFETs, the plug-and-play solution for a fast time-to-market achieves 95 to 97% system efficiency at a lower cost level. Furthermore, the CoolSiC Schottky diode supports reduced turn-on and recovery losses. In comparison to pure silicon designs, the device is ideal for hard commutation with 30% lower losses. With its low cooling requirements, the diode also provides an excellent cost-performance trade-off on the system level. Alpha and Omega Semiconductor, a designer, developer, and global supplier of a broad range of power semiconductors, power ICs, and digital power products, announced the release of a new 1200-volt silicon carbide αSiC MOSFET in an optimized TR247-4L package. Ideal for high efficiency and reliability requirements of electric vehicle onboard chargers, motor drive inverters, and off-board charging stations, these 1200-volt SiC MOSFETs provide the industry-leading lowest on resistance available with a standard gate drive of 15 volt. As the EV market accelerates into millions of units per year, vehicle manufacturers are increasingly implementing 800-volt electrical systems to reduce the system size and weight, while increasing range and enabling significantly faster charging speeds. Alpha and Omega's 1200-volt automotive-grade αSiC MOSFETs are specifically designed for these demanding applications by providing superior switching performance and efficiency over standard silicon devices. According to Renesas, the motivation behind the purchase of Dialog Semiconductor is twofold. Firstly, Dialog Semiconductor's acquisition allows Renesas to combine the technological capabilities of Dialog Semiconductor into their own products, including low power, connectivity, and mixed signal improvements. Secondly, Renesas purchasing Dialog Semiconductor allows for the two companies to grow and increase overall revenue. It is expected that Renesas will see incremental revenue growth of around $200 million per year as a result of accelerated technological growth. Yolo Development updated their report on power electronics for e-mobility. The report includes 2020 to 2026 market metrics and forecasts for each EV/HEV type, from vehicle sales and power converter market to power devices, market trends overview for EV/HEV, electric buses and trucks, supply chain overview including who supplies to whom, significant mergers and acquisitions, collaborations and investments, main technology trends including system integration and the use of vehicle platforms by major OEMs, power devices overview with a focus on wide bandgap components, silicon carbide and gallium nitride, and packaging. You can download the sample or buy the full report at iMicronews website. EE Times is rolling out a new virtual conference that lays out the roadmap to next-gen EV and AV. Designed for an automotive industry and the industry's technology suppliers who are infusing cars with sparks and sensors, the event is scheduled between March 23-25, 2021. The improvement of power semiconductor components has become one of the most important drivers of vehicle electrification. To make sure these components would operate reliably in a vehicle, keeping their so-called junction temperature at low levels is a top priority, as at higher temperatures the failure rates increase exponentially. Being able to draw a relationship between expected failures and semiconductor junction temperatures is an important design step, helping OEMs predict the useful operating life of a vehicle. EDA Direct and Siemens webinar explains how thermal transient testing can be used to understand semiconductor package thermal properties, how it can be combined with active power cycling for lifetime analysis, and what data are required for estimating the lifetime of the final application. This is it for today. See you next week. And don't forget to visit Marketing Psycho website and join me in social media.